India's interest in the advanced Russian S-500 system has grown after the S-400's strong performance during the May conflict and Operation Sindoor against Pakistan. The S-400 tracked and shot down Pakistani aircraft deep inside their airspace, securing full air dominance. But as the security environment becomes more complex, with newer and faster threats emerging from both Pakistan and China, India is now seeking S-400's far superior successor, the S-500 Prometheus. The S-500 is considered one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. And Indian planners believe it could strengthen national security for many years. So how do the two defense systems differ from each other? Let's tell you. Let's talk about the range first. The S-400 has a range of up to 400 km, while the S-500 stretches to roughly 500 to 600 km. The S-400 covers only the lower atmosphere. This makes the S-500 a higher tier system that protects airspace plus the edge of space. The S-400 is effective at intercepting threats up to 30 km in altitude. The S-500 extends its reach to near space with interception capabilities up to 200 km. This further allows it to counter low Earth orbit satellites and high trajectory ballistic missiles. The S-400 defense system is not specifically designed for hypersonic threats or space objects. However, the S-500 is built to neutralize hypersonic missiles traveling at speeds close to Mach 20 and even space-based platforms. Hence, it marks itself as a response to newer and faster threats. If we talk about missile capabilities, the S-400 uses a mix of 40N6, 48N6 and 9M96 series missiles with speeds up to Mach 14. The next generation S-500 introduces advanced interceptors like the 77N6 series, which are capable of hit-to-kill precision at greater ranges and speeds up to Mach 20. Despite its formidable performance parameters, the S-400 handles tactical and operational threats, while the S-500 is built to handle strategic threats and hopefully future hypersonic warfare. The S-400 protects airspace over regions and sectors, while the S-500 protects cities, strategic infrastructure, and command nodes across the nation. S-400 is operational in countries including India, China, and Turkey, while S-500 is still being inducted by Russia and is expected to see wider deployment in coming years. And India has shown interest in potential co-development. Hope you found the video informative, and for more such content, keep watching NDTV.